How to transfer WhatsApp chats from an iPhone to an Android phone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to transfer WhatsApp chats from an iPhone to an Android phone. There are several options. One method is to use a third-party tool like MobileTrans or TenorShare iCare phone, which allows you to transfer data wirelessly in a single click. Another way is by exporting individual chats. Open a conversation in WhatsApp, tap Export Chat, and email the chat to yourself. While this method doesn't restore chats directly in WhatsApp, it lets you keep a record of them. Samsung users can use Smart Switch app to transfer WhatsApp data while setting up their new device. Additionally, Google Drive can be used for backup, but since iCloud and Google Drive are not directly compatible, a third-party tool may be needed to restore the chats on an Android device. Then, choose the method that works best for your situation. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.